Hey everyone, this is Stephanie from the Blend team. We're really excited to announce that Blend 2.0 has been released. We've got a ton of new features for you to explore, so today I'm going to go over what's new and give a brief tutorial for each feature. If you'd like to see more in-depth tutorials for Blend, let us know in the comments and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Okay, there's a lot to go over, so let's get started. The first new feature that you'll notice in Blend 2.0 is the ability to sort your decks in a variety of ways. So you'll see a new Sort By drop-down menu on your home screen with a few options on how you can sort your decks. The custom option allows you to drag and drop them in any order that you choose, and the purple overlay just shows you where that deck will move to once you drop it. We hope that this feature helps you stay organized, especially for those of you that have many different decks tailored to your unique students. We've also added some in-app tutorials to help you get more familiar with some of the features that we have in the Blend app. So the first time that you visit a new screen, you'll be prompted about starting a tutorial for that screen. If you click yes, you'll be launched into the tutorial and you can go through the steps. Some parts are fully interactive, so you'll be prompted to try something out on that screen. If at any point you'd like to restart the tutorial, you can do so from the bottom menu, and it'll reset everything that you've done in the tutorial. You can also exit the tutorial from the bottom menu, and it will take you back into that screen that you originally navigated to. If at any time you'd like to revisit any tutorials that you've skipped or completed, you can do so from the account management page and just click Reset Tutorials in the bottom left. We hope these tutorials help, and if you'd like to see any more, please let us know in the comments. Next up is Multi-Select Delete. We think that the best way to use this feature is when you're copying a deck and wanting to adjust it quickly, so let's make a copy of Blends and Advanced Vowels. Say I'd like to delete some of these graphemes from the deck because my students haven't quite learned them yet. You can do so by entering multi-edit mode at the top right-hand corner of your screen, and you'll see all the cards get darkened, and once you start selecting things, they'll get highlighted to show your selections. You can also exit multi-edit mode with the same toggle, and another way to enter multi-edit mode is by simply clicking on a checkbox while editing, and this will automatically toggle multi-edit on, and you can make your selections and click on the delete button to remove those cards from your deck. Then you can save, and you'll see now that those cards have been removed, and you can carry on with your blending drill. Let's talk about shuffle mode. If you didn't know, you can click on one of the cards on the play screen to cycle through the graphemes within that column in order. As you can see, I'm clicking on the first card and cycling through all of those pink graphemes. We've now added the ability to turn on shuffle mode, which lets you cycle through the graphemes in a random order. This works best when you hide the card tray and enter focus mode. This minimizes the noise on the screen and keeps your student fully focused on the blending drill. As you progress through your blending drill, you may notice that your student is struggling with certain challenging concepts. You may want to revisit some of those words that they had a hard time with later on in the lesson. Now, with word history, you can do so by clicking on the icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen. This brings up a list of the words that you've previously shown, and you can even bring back a word by clicking on it within the panel. Pro users will notice an export button at the bottom of the word history panel. This allows you to take the words from a session and turn them into a playlist to use later. We'll talk about playlists more in the next section. Blend 2.0 brings some powerful new features to our Blend Pro users. If you'd like to check out Blend Pro, you can sign up for our 1-month free trial on our website at blendreading.com. One of the features that we're most excited about in Blend 2.0 is playlists. If you're a Pro user, you'll see a new icon on the top left of your screen. This takes you to the Playlists view. Playlists allow you to build word chains ahead of your lesson and simplify your teaching experience during a blending drill. You can go through the words in your playlist by tapping left and right and see your progress at the bottom of the screen. If you'd like to minimize distraction, you can enter focus mode by clicking on the icon in the top left menu. You can create and edit playlists easily, and after saving, you can reuse them again and again with any of your students. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the in-depth tutorial on playlists coming soon. Pro users now have access to our deck library on the Blend Reading website. This is a collection of decks created by the Blend team to target specific phonics skills or give you ideas on new boards and lessons that you can create. Here you can see a variety of decks already available for you, with more to come. If you have any ideas on decks that we can create for you, please let us know in the comments below. After successfully importing a deck, you'll be able to see it in your collection right away. You can use it out of the box or even edit it to create a deck that's uniquely yours. Last but not least is deck sharing. Let's make a copy of the CVC and Magic E deck and modify it a bit. I'd like to simplify this deck, so I'll delete the digraphs in these groups here, as well as the E at the end of the word. Now we have a CVC deck, so I'll give it a new name and save it, and we can check out the new board that we have here. Let's say a friend of mine also wants to use this deck in their lessons. I can send them a copy of my deck from the edit screen using the Share Deck feature in the toolbar at the top right. I'm going to send this deck to myself so I can show you what it looks like to receive it as well. Please note that the account that you're sending to must also be a pro account, otherwise you won't be able to share your decks with them. When someone shares a deck with you, you'll get an email from the Blend team with a link to add the deck to your collection. This link will take you to a page on the Blend Reading site asking if you'd like to add the deck to your library. Click Yes to import the deck to your library, and the next time you open the app, you'll see that it's been added to your collection. That's all we have for today's video. We really hope this helps highlight the new features that we have in Blend 2.0. We are so excited for you guys to try it out and to hear what you think about these updates. Please let us know if you have any questions and comment below if you'd like to see more tutorials for Blend. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.